How to add chapters on your YouTube video. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to youtube.com. Once you're routed to the page, simply go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, go and select your channel. Now once you've selected your channel, here in the left hand panel, click on your videos. Once you have clicked on your videos, you will basically be routed to another tab, which is your channel content. Now here, all you need to do is to simply select on your video, and afterwards we're going to simply scroll down and hit on the show more link. Under the show more link, you will actually see automatic chapters right here. Make sure that this box has been ticked to automatically allow chapters and key moments. And that's about it. Hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.